out, but see, you get more sun than this side, and
I
it's
have a
blocked.
globe over there.
Okay, but
people get.
very
Look,
simple observation.
It's night here. This
How
has
can
to
you say
rotate
that the
too.
days are getting shorter in the summer when it's light out till 9 o'clock?
So okay, so now good question. You bring up a good point.
What was
now,
the question?
Now
How
about
can you possibly say the days are getting shorter in the summer when it's light out till 9 o'clock?
because of the summer solstice.
Oh, you're not gonna put this on
On the northern, in the northern hemisphere, around June 22nd, we reach the longest day of the year, Rachel. And on the longest day of the year, that means it's the longest day of the year. That afterwards,
Something
there
like
is
that.
not
Now the
any
days are
day
getting shorter.
longer. Okay? And so,
But it would appear that they were almost as long.
well, that's because,
They almost are as long.
do you wake up with the sunrise?
No, but I have a weird work schedule.
Do you wake up before breakfast?
Yes.
I do.
Why?
Yeah.
You
Then
get
I
no
wake up
Bible
and I
lights
break
in?
my fast because while I was asleep during the night, I was fasting. I was abstaining from eating.
Come on, Mark, with
As
this
I rested my
conversation.
body, I also rested my mouth and my stomach.
That's what
And
I find when
I
you're
woke
on a
up-
fast, it's best to sleep.
And so when I wake up,
True.
I break my fast. I get my bowl of cereal, I get my milk, and I eat it, and I feel wonderful. That's how you get breakfast from break. You take a break like a break at work. You know, like
Like a
a
break in
You
your
know,
fast?
like your whole day.
It's best to
like
take
it's a break.
from
It's
your
just a
fast when
duration.
you're
It's not an
awake.
extended amount of time. It's just a short amount of time,
Uh-huh.
and you fast. So you take a break,
I don't got the side of it.
and then breakfast.
But Rachel's
you take
not
a break
convinced.
from
Rachel's
your
not convinced
fast.
that the days get shorter in summer.
Okay, so like I
believe
said,
it. It's just
it's-
not, it's like
it's-
almost a moot point because it's light outside the longest of the whole year.
For one day.
for one day,
Yeah,
But in
Rachel.
general, yes, because after the equinox that happens in March, around March 20th, is therefore it's
Yeah,
called
you got
equal
blah
because
blah
you get
that.
12 hours of light, 12 hours of darkness.
Oh,
Okay.
I didn't know
Why did
that.
I never learn this?
Okay.
Because you studied
You're an
books.
English major.
You English major.
And equinox, like equal, like 2 + 2 = 4.
Are you sure?
I am positive. We're not talking about synergy here. That's another level class. But so anyways, from that point of the equinox, it gets the days get longer and longer and longer until it gets to the longest day in June. And therefore, from that
It gets
point
shorter
forward,
and shorter
they get
till
shorter,
you get to the
shorter,
shortest.
until you get to the autumn equinox,
September.
which is in September. Excuse me.
Around
Which
the
is where
20th.
which is where it's in the autumn and the day is equal, and it continues to go down. So you have this
So
progression
more darkness
from
than light.
from December 21st, 22nd, all the
September.
way December. No, I'm just explaining the overall trend here. December to June, longer days continuously. June after the summer solstice, all the way to the winter solstice, the days get shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter.
I guess I always
They can't
assumed.
get any shorter. Then they get longer.
This makes me have to
It's like a rubber
think
band.
deeply about
Hey, Rachel.
things.
She's done assuming.
This
That's
makes
the
me have
worst
to think
explanation
deeply.
anyone
That's the most simple.
That
That's
was
the most simple.
awesome. Let's
That
give
even I
it.
figured
Let's
even
give
to
it.
you.
Good job, Mark. Take it down. Take it down.
Don't thank me.
I'm sorry
just
that I'm
teaching.
one of
I'm
the
just-
only people in the family who's not a science teacher.
Whoa, you two just smiled exactly the same like twins.